Hey friends, welcome to my studio. I am Lisa Fulford, your creative coach, and I am doing our February paper pumpkin unboxing. I received mine in the mail today, and I'm excited that it's here a week earlier than normal. Last month's was also a little bit earlier, so I am getting excited that they're getting here to me sooner. So I'm a little disappointed that it's just in a polka dotted paper pumpkin. Pretty normal box, considering the paper that they showed and I shared with all of you of what was coming. I expected it to be a little bit dressier, but hey, it's not what the box is, it's what's on the inside. You can always use these boxes for other things, like you can share or save your ink spots in them. You can save tools in them when you're going to be traveling. Say you're going to a friend's house to craft, you can put some of your tools in this and it pretty well protects it. Now, mine's a little beat up, but the United Postal Service got it here to on time, so I'm not going to complain about the box. I have several of the boxes. My husband uses them over at his shop to hold like little washers and things because there aren't any holes for things to fall out. So he uses them when I don't. All right, so I already took the packaging off and took my label off because it has like my address and other information. So I go ahead and take that off, but let's open this up and see what is on the inside. All right, so let me see if I can get any. Nope, I don't know if that makes it any. Nope, I don't know if that makes it better or worse. I've got my window open. Let me see if I can get some more light here. It's a beautiful day here. It's in the 70s, and then Sunday's going to be 32. All right, so let's look here. Let me see if I can get a piece of dark cardstock. Maybe. I don't know if this is there. Maybe you can see it. It says, now I've got a glare. There we go. It says, Sweet Spring Greetings. I don't know if you can see that. You can see my image in there. Sweet Spring Greetings. Hello, friend. It's got a couple Easter eggs. Our grass, and then it says Happy Easter right there. So that is our stamp set. Oh, you can see it better right there. There we go. So that is our stamp set. And then we have the, whoops, upside down. We have the Shy Shamrock for the ink spot. I've got to find a pair of glasses because I can't see. All right, so there's that. Ooh, it's pretty already. Whoops, so sorry. Put the box off to the side. Here's our stamp. Here's our ink spot. Hit my camera, now I moved it. There we go. All right, so let's cut this open and see what we have. I get excited on what I find in the paper pumpkin. It's just a lot of fun. I don't, I'm not thrilled with all the kits that they do, but, my taste and everybody else's is different, so they do try to do quite an array. So here's a better look at what the stamps are. Let me see if this helps. Okay, lights everywhere, but sometimes it makes it worse instead of better. All right, so Sweet Spring Greetings. Hello, friend, and the Happy Easter I thought maybe it was just on this crooked, but no, it kind of swerves. So that's cool. So that's our stamp. That's our ink spot. Here are our instructions. Whoops, upside down again. Look at that cute little bunny poking out from the from that wreath. I'm telling you what, I'm not getting very, there we go. I'm not getting very good lighting today. And it says Happy Easter, and it's got that little banner there. So that's probably why it's crooked there. Sweet Spring Greetings. That's really pretty, and it looks like it is in that like a lighter hue of the Shy Shamrock. And then little Easter basket. Isn't that really cute? Then it says Hello Friend. It's got little flowers on it. So that is our cards that we're making. So we'll go ahead and open up all of this and show what comes in this. All right, so here are the card bases. Let's do that first. So you have 3 of these. Three of these with the flowers on there. Those are really pretty. And then we have also 3 of those. Now that's really pretty as well. So those are our card bases. I'm going to move this up out of the way for now. And then we'll lay this out here so that we can see what all we have in here. Now this one here is just plain cardstock. There we go. All right, so there's that. Our envelopes. Oh my goodness. They are all of these with that beautiful design on there. So there's that. We have 3 of these layers that it looks like it's pretty in pink. And maybe that's Melon Mambo. I can't quite tell. And then that same design. There we go. Here are the elements. We have a square, I think it's square, with a little detail on the outside. Same way with that banner for that Happy Easter. And then the greenery, and I think you probably stamp the Easter egg on there in whatever design you want. And that looks like a short tag. So there's that. And then look at these cute embellishments here. The little ephemeras that they put in there, they're actually a lot larger than I thought they would be. But look at this gorgeous basket and the bunny. He's so cute. And then that wreath is really pretty. And then you get all these little flowers and the little eggs. So that's a lot, and they are larger than I would have anticipated. So we'll put that right under there. You get some pretty in pink baker's twine. And we get these beautiful little gems. And we have glue dots and little dimensionals in there. Are they the large ones or the small ones? Let's see here. Okay, they're the small ones. I thought they were the little ones. Look at these gorgeous gems. Aren't those pretty? All right, so that is everything that came in the kit. But then remember I told you that you could do an add-on. And this is for January, February, and March. And I get these little envelopes off of Amazon to put my little ones in. And it's Beautiful Blooms dies. And you get a postage stamp, the word beautiful, and then you get the little tulips and the leaves to go along with the January, February, and March kits. So if you want this, you have to be a subscriber to the Paper Pumpkin, and then you can do the add-ons that go along with your kits. If you subscribe now, you will get the March one that has the hummingbirds as one of the themes. So I'm looking forward to that. And probably beautiful would go with it mainly. And I think the tulips probably go with this because it kind of looks like it goes along. And of course the postage stamp went along with our January one. But if you become a subscriber now, between now and March 10th, I believe, then you will get the March paper pumpkin, and you can order this to go along with them. And then you can also shop the paper pumpkins from past paper pumpkins. Sometimes it's the full kit, but a lot of times it's the refills. So it'd be everything here minus the stamp set and the ink spot. So that is our paper pumpkin for the February 2026. They are gorgeous cards. And so in my next video, I will put each one of these together, one of them. And then I am working on doing alternatives for paper pumpkin. So whenever I get these finished and see what I have left, then I will do alternatives for the remaining amount of supplies to show all the different things that you can do with a kit. You get a lot in your kit. So if you're interested in that, in the description below this video, you will find where you can sign up for Paper Pumpkin. If you don't already have a demonstrator, I would love to earn your business. So until next time, happy stamping.